At kaugnay po ng sunog na yan, makakausap natin si Superintendent Rodolfo Dinaga ng Bacolod BFP. Superintendent Dinaga, magandang tanghali po. Si Rafi Tima po at Marie Sumali. Live po kayo sa Balitang Hali.
Magandang tanghali, Rafi. Magandang tanghali din sa televiewers ng ating programa.
Opo, ano pong nangyari doon sa sunog? Meron na po bang resulta ng investigasyon kung saan ito nagsimula?
As of now, sir, we have identified the origin of fire, the house of certain Lemuel Noblisa. As to the cause, we are still conducting an investigation regarding that matter, sir. We received the call at around 8 a.m. in the morning. Kakatapos lang po ng aming unity walk in relation to our fire prevention month.
Nung kayo
we received a fire call informing us that there is a fire incident at Porok Riverside, Zone 4, Barangay Balago, Bacolod City, informing us that the involved building was a residential house or occupied by our informal settlers.
Gaano kalawak yung sunog na yon?
Sir, ang involved natin, we have an estimated number of houses gutted by fire, around 50 houses gutted by fire. And we have an estimated damage of 700,000 more or less. As of now, sir, ang ating mga fire truck, we are still conducting a mapping operation at the site, at the scene of the incident.
Pero mabuti
Yes,
po
sir.
siguro na nasa kalye na kayo nun, nagpaparada kanyo nung marinig nyo yung tawag, so nakaresponde ho agad yung mga bumbero.
Yes, sir. Ang ating fire truck is still in their respective fire station, considering ang aming programa ngayon is a unity walk. So, naka-station bagya pa rin yung ating mga fire truck, and then we immediately responded upon knowing the information that the involved building was occupied by our informal settlers. Immediately, the 6 fire truck of the Bacolod City Fire Station were sent to respond to the incident.
May mga nasaktan ho ba doon sa nangyaring sunog, Superintendent?
Sir, as of now, walang reported na injuries o injured, wala ding reported na casualties.
Alam niyo po ba kung saan tutuloy pansamantala yung mga nasunugan at ilang pamilya po ba itong pinag-uusapan natin?
As of now, sir, wala akong number ng exact number of families, but the local government is providing them the evacuation center, sir.
Panghuli na lamang po siguro, Superintendent, panawagan nyo na rin siguro sa mga taga-Bacolod na simula pala ng Fire Prevention Month, may nangyari ng ganyang sunog. Panawagan ho ninyo sa mga residente sa area na mag-ingat pagdating sa sunog.
As of now, the very essence of our Fire Prevention Month is the community involvement. So we are asking our people to please cooperate and support our fire prevention campaign, be vigilant and be cautious in their activities which involve fire, particularly electrical fire and open fire or lighted candle. Because our statistics shows that a large number of fire have originated at the electricals and open flame.
Okay.
Sir, with the present program of the Bureau of Fire Protections, which is geared towards the fire safety consciousness of the public, we will be going to the respective houses to deliver the services of the Bureau of Fire Protection right into the doorstep of our community, sir.
Okay, thank you very much po, Superintendent Rodolfo Dinaga ng Bacolod Bureau of Fire Protection. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo.